Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually buy cases for Arsenal on Roblox. Now, it's a very easy process. For most players, it's a easy option that you can easily click. But for some of us, it's hidden and I'm going to show you how to actually use it. Now, right here we have Arsenal open in our Roblox player. And as you can see here, we have the shop. Now, to open the shop, you see two options, daily and bundles. In the daily, you see all the accessories that relate every day. And here we have the bundles which you can buy with the given currency of Arsenal. Now, you can buy currency with normal Roblox. But as you can see, for me, the cases option isn't available. Now, and the reason that it isn't available is simply because it is forbidden by the law in the Netherlands and in Belgium, for example, to open cases in games, in online video games. Now, I have a workaround for this, of course, because as you can see, we don't have the cases. But what you can do in the US, in the United States, it's allowed to open game cases. So what you need to do, you first need to sign out of your own account. So simply leave the game right here and go to more and simply log out. Now from there you make a different account, but the most important part is first open up Google Chrome and type in VPN. Now here we have a whole bunch of VPNs you can install and use for free for 30 days, for example. And then you need to set your location, your actual VPN, to the United States, because here it is legal. Once you've done that, from there out you restart your PC and you open up Roblox to make an account based in the US, so to set your account location in the US, and from there the option should be available. Now it is easy as that. And if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.